Today we'll talk about one of my favorites, the Digitalis or Foxglove. Just a wonderful vertical element for any garden, and the seeds are extremely easy to collect and prolific. But before we get started, let's talk a bit about the seed pods and the plant in general. It is used to make digoxin, which is heart medicine, and you've got to be really careful when you're touching it with bare skin or breathing the dust, and make sure you wash your hands and use gloves if you need to. So when you first walked up to a deflowered or a seeding foxglove, you'll notice that there's green pods at top, and down below, as the pods dry out, they turn brown and kind of crispy. You can let them sit out and dry out if you need to. I usually go and pick the lower pods. I'll put them in a seed sifter like I have here, collect them, and it's pretty insane. One of these pods can have up to 2,000 seeds. So a mature plant with a ton of seed pods can put out 100,000 to 200,000 seeds, and they're very small, as you'll see, and that's why they spread prolifically throughout a garden. So you've got to be careful. If you've got children or pets, you don't want these all over the place because they can be toxic, as I mentioned. So to collect the seeds, I go ahead, I strip a handful of seed pods that I can get from dried out seed heads that I have here. So I'll go ahead and collect them. This is one of my seeding beds that I have behind our shed, and then once I get them, I'll actually crush up the pods. These are already dry, so I'll get a good seed harvest from them, but you can let them out and they'll crack open themselves. I'll shake it a little bit, and you can see I'm using a 1/16 inch filter or seine. Go ahead and shake it out, and you can see the number of seeds that I got just from a handful of seed pods. It's absolutely crazy what these produce. And I typically will put them into a small seed envelope where that seed envelope will absorb water, and so as the seed pods continue to dry and mature, they won't get moldy. Throw them out, and then I'll grab a seed envelope. Typically I'll label it with the color and where I harvested them, and maybe some notes if I've got them. But you can see just those seed heads produce thousands upon thousands of seeds, and they're so small. It's actually very hard to plant just a single seed. So I'll put them in, label them, put them away for the season, and then I can start to put some more seed out next season.